amazing. There's a lot of knowledge in the traditional knowledge, food preparation, kava demonstration, custom dances, different dances meaning different stories, and of course, yes, the magic of water music. Welcome.
Wow, thank you. I got a flower here. Oh, he's going to give out the flower to the lady. Okay.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you.
Doing a good job.
Cover meat. So let's say 3-4 years you get a good mature cover before you harvest. We have 72 different types of cover, including.
Well, the ladies are in this pool. We're going to have this water music here somehow or other, like maybe swishing around in the water. I don't know, but I just drank some kava, which I didn't get on tape here. But yeah, the kava made my tongue numb and my gums numb here. But then I had a piece of pineapple to sweeten my mouth back up. But still a little numb. I can feel it. Just that little drink that I had here. But yeah, that's pretty good.
How is it? Okay, well that's just the beginning. Yeah. The water music's done by bare hands, and these ladies have different levels. There's treble and the bass, but normally we don't play music with water music. We listen to the sounds of the nature and the environment, and then try to put that into water music. And next beat, bueno, Mami.
Stuel, Belkes, bien Roma Comas.
Yay, very good.
Okay, we are in the tropics, and there's always rolling waves that hit our shores. People take things for granted, especially those beautiful environments. But if you're there out in the coast, watching the waves rolling into the inland, and there's a sound always when it hits the rocks before it gets to the shore. This is how it sounds, the ocean beat.
Stuel, Sira, Musira.